I love that.
Talented. Yeah.
I love that.
Yeah.
Like the guitar playing.
What is up, folks? Welcome and welcome back. So on this episode, we're gonna react to Ren Murderer. So on my left here is my girlfriend featuring.
Hello, hi everybody.
Okay, guys. So my first reaction with her done exceptionally well when it comes on to Ren. I shot the sheriff. So I'm going to introduce her to this one, which is called Murderer. That is Barrington Levy tribute done by Ren. So I'm going to let her hear this one for herself because she really do like Ren's music. Yeah, she's in tune to it. So we are from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So without further ado, let's dive into this reaction. Peace.
Out in the street, they call it murder. Scoop. Murderer.
Yeah, this is certainly not my first time reacting to this, but this sound brand new.
I'm not sure I'm a Jamaican, that's all I have to say.
He's not a Jamaican. He's from the UK.
Well, I'm really sound like a Jamaican.
Because he's a big fan
I
of...
like the starting though, the rhythm and then the song. It is giving.
Really a great tune, really a great song choice, because in Jamaica here, Barrington Levy is one of Jamaica's greatest reggae singers out there. So in order to see Ren doing this type of thing, it's a pleasure to have Ren doing these type of covers.
Me? Well, me never stop saying he's a Jamaican for me. Sorry. But them device them?
He's from the UK.
Jamaican for me?
He's from the United Kingdom.
Real Jamaican for me.
Okay, let's continue.
If you catch me alone, you better get on my zone because I'm ready to kill. I'll sit on my throne, make the bodies of bones because I'm mentally ill. I'm feeling alive, I got the will to survive, so never test my skill. For goodness sake, man, I'm ready to break, man. Murderer, homie, it's the way that I get down.
Yeah, outstanding. Like, absolutely outstanding.
He's amazing though. I like his vibe, I like how he sing, like, it's really good.
Yeah, the transition that from a one drop beat to a fast one drop beat is really good. It's really good. The transition
is giving that vibe, that momentum. It's giving.
Are you feeling the momentum?
Nice man. I'm not sure this regular time reading, but you know, yeah, it sound really good.
Yeah, for a guy from the UK, it's really a great thing to see.
Really, my Jamaican friends, sir. I'm turning a Jamaican. Okay? You need to come to me if you mix with Jamaican, Jamaican people, come and understand. Like, me not tell them understand.
Yeah, guys, to be honest, sometimes I really have to wonder, like, these people who are from the UK or Canada or wherever across the world, which is not a Jamaican country, why is it so amazing to see these people idolizing our culture so much? I mean, like,
Because at the end of the day, no matter where they are or where they're from, Jamaica always give them that vibes. Especially the reggae music, the culture, the dance that they have, every single thing they love about Jamaica. The beauty of Jamaica, the nature, just everything, the music, everything in one, just combining. Them just love Jamaica.
yeah, one of
Overall.
our country. One of our country. Yeah, let's continue.
Ra-ta-ta-ta, murderer. See me on the corner of my town. Get back, 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 murderer. Swing for your jaw in the first round. Ra-ta-ta-ta, murderer. Homie, it's the way that I get down. Wow. I was born shameless, fighting out and Brighton with the neighbors. Brother, ask your mother what my name is. I was born famous, trendsetter, hot stepper, greatest, shocking like a finger in the anus.
I mean, I think Barrington even will be proud of this. Like, you need to come to Jamaica and just do a collab with,
Yeah,
them
the
beyond.
greats, yeah. Because
Because he
this
has the
song,
voice and he has a tone for it, so
and you have to
people would
move.
definitely feel like he's a Jamaican, like he mixed with Jamaican, like, yeah.
Yeah, because even here in our country, Jamaica, where Barrington Levy, if a Barrington Levy song should play in the first half, because hear this now, right? When Jamaica is keeping a party, right, or a dance, or you guys know a round robin or something like that, right? In the first half, we'll hear a lot of these Barrington Levy, Buju Banton, Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, those type of artists started to play first. But if Barrington Levy song should play, we get a lot of forward for it because that is the impact he have on this Jamaican culture and also the people who are listening to the music. So to see this impact from the Jamaican people reaching to higher heights across the world, it's a very great achievement for Barrington Levy himself. And this man should be proud though. I really grew up listening to Barrington Levy because my father is a Rastaman as well. So I'm really into this type of music. And this music is a lot of longevity live inside of it. Even though it's years ago, it's gonna be years to come. Music, really good music,
Yes. It is like,
really good music, guys. So let's continue.
I was born wasted, stoned out my brain but faded. Writing catchy syllables contagious. I was born courageous, naked and fucking outrageous. With the microphone I rock stages. I jump on the rhythm of rhyme, Miss Cyclone. I pull his scallop right out the stone, King Kong. The precision it hits like Stallone. Rocky, keep it cocky, I'll be Al Capone. I walk alone, sit up on the office throne. If you want it, I'll deny it like a mortgage loan. Your daughter's home, we'll be staying home alone. Condone the bone, eat it like a Toblerone.
This man had his flair to the beat, to the music, to the cover. Is a masterpiece of work.
it's always reggae him always like do cover for.
Yeah, he sings a variety of music.
So as in like to do a cover.
Yeah, mostly reggae.
And
Mostly reggae because I
now I
haven't.
see why he always do reggae. Because him have the voice for it, like it's pure talent. Him have the voice, he's him have choose reggae. Although reggae is a nice,
It's
this is
really
a
nice
nice
thing
music,
because if it wasn't for Bob Marley, reggae would be kind of little bit of a down low. But because of Bob Marley, reggae is on the top right now,
And it's still
and
on the top. Nothing,
nothing
like
beats it. Like
nothing beats
nothing
reggae.
beats reggae. It is one of Jamaica's biggest music industry here right now in our country. The reggae,
Literally.
right? He's really good at these things, and we have to show respect. We always have to show him that, right? So everything that Ren is doing now, the mixture, the adding, the singing over of Barrington Levy's music, paying tribute to him, it's a great job. For me, it's a great job, and Barrington Levy should be proud of him right now, right?
It's a job well done.
An excellent job. Let's continue.
Biatch. If you catch me alone, you better stay on my zone because I'm ready to blah, 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 blah. Or sit on my throne, make the bodies and bones because I'm mentally ill. I'm feeling alive, I got the will to survive, so never test my skill. For goodness sake, man, I'm ready to break, man. Murderer, homie, it's the way that I get down. Murderer.
I love when he does that kind of thing. Burst in the blanks. Yeah, this is the vibe. I really love the vibe. I really love the vibe. It is not so low B.
I need them to listen to my music, can I? But I love it. I love it. I love how he perform these reggae songs. He just make them his own and so forth, and it's always nice. It's always nice. Always. Never disappoint, to be honest. Never.
Never yet disappoints.
Because I'm wondering if he's Jamaican.
Guys, she's still wondering
I
if
am
he's
still
Jamaican.
no, like literally, I'm still wondering. He's singing this music, I'll be like in the back of my head. Is he really Jamaican? I mean, him literally sound like the reggae people when them are sing.
That's totally true.
So,
Only
yeah.
thing that causes him not to be a full Jamaican is his accent. That's the
Well,
only thing.
no, you know, so them can like born here and like when them go overseas, them accent change.
Yeah, it could be so.
Can be so, but anyways,
So.
Jamaican for me, regardless of where he came from.
Regardless. Let's continue.
You see me on the corner of my town, get back, murderer. Swing for your Joe in the first round. Attack, murderer. Homie, it's the way that I get down. Whoa.
I love that.
Yeah. Yeah.
I love that.
Yeah.
Like the guitar playing, the little instrument, like everything just pause, the music and everything pause, and then that guitar, like it's a nice, like a nice tune to it, like.
Yeah, multi-talented. He's very multi-talented. I mean, like he's singing the reggae, he's doing the UK music, he's rapping, he's singing normally. Multi-talented. For a guy who can play the instrument while singing, rapping, doing these type of things, it's a multi-talented person. And I have to say, bro, respect, man. Respect. It is not so easy to sit and do these type of things so easily around the camera, right? This is literally sick.
Because doing that, you also have to like literally catch back your breath to go back in.
Yeah, he's killing it. He's killing it. Let's continue.
I line them up against the wall, and I don't mean metaphorically, lyrical bullets. I mean, actually fucking kill him, squeeze the trigger and pull it. Blood splat, how's it going, lad? Rounds are flowing mad, trust that. I'm a pro with that, seeds are sowing bad boy. I'm an addict, volcanic, a man is twisted and manic. The rhymes are gifted, goddammit, I push the button, we panic. Breathe, that sees the land, sky, and the seas. It's easy, seeing me freestyle freely. What?
Bro, that's mind blowing. That's mind blowing. That's mind blowing.
Jamaican, please.
She's still considering this man as a Jamaican.
Like, I don't know what else to say about her line. Jamaican.
Absolutely incredible.
Yeah, I came to rock, man. Drop it like it's hot, man. Wear a clothes from Oxfam. Goddamn, I am a blood-sucking titan from the streets of Brighton. Hit you with my right hand, sucker. If you catch me alone, you better get on my zone because I'm ready to sit on my throne, make the bodies and bones because I'm mentally ill. You're not feeling alive. I got the will to survive, so never test my skill.
Yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it. It's all incredible job. A really incredible job. Yeah. Are you okay?
Mm-hmm.
You sure you're okay? Let's continue.
To For goodness sake, man, I'm ready to break, man. Murderer, homie, it's the way that I get down. Rat-tat-tat-tat-tat, murderer. See me on the corner of my town. Get back, back, back. Murderer, swing for your jaw in the first round. Rat-tat-tat-tat, murderer. Homie, it's the way that I get down. Whoa, oh, 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 yeah.
At the end there, I love the way he end this music. He wanna have a sound like Damien Junior Gang Marley. For real, don't?
Exactly that.
Yeah, yeah. I love his vibe though. I love his voice as well. Ren, a well done job. And what you guys think about my girlfriend's reaction towards this? Has she done well? Do you guys agree with her comments?
I
Let
think
us know in the
so.
comment section if you guys do agree. Don't forget to subscribe for more of her reaction and both of us in it. Don't forget to leave a like on the video, share the content, telling him or her about us Jamaican couple and also our Jamaican culture. So people, we'll see you next time around. One love.